The following video will show you the procedure for synchronizing your Maxitrol remote control sender and receiver. First, locate the sender, remove the battery cover, and install a new 9-volt battery. Then reinstall the battery cover. Now let's locate the receiver. The receiver is usually located under the fireplace, somewhere behind the trims. You may need to consult your Fireplace's instruction guide for the location of the receiver and how to access it. When handling the receiver, be careful not to disconnect any of the wires. Next, remove the battery cover and install 4 AA batteries as per the diagram inside the battery box. Once the new batteries are installed and the battery cover is back in place, we can begin the synchronization process. Locate the reset button on the side of the receiver. Using a small object like a pen or paper clip, hold the button in and listen for 1 short and 1 long beep. After the long audible beep, you can press the lower flame button on the remote sender. You should then hear 2 short beeps to confirm that the receiver and sender are now synchronized. Now your Maxitrol remote sender and receiver are synchronized.